Hello everyone. This is the video for class 10 subject information technology and code for that subject is 402. This is the second video of chapter 1, that is communication skills. Here in previous video, this is a continuation of the previous video. In previous video I was telling you methods of communication. Okay, so let us see, before starting the methods of communication, let us see what is the communication first. Okay, so now let's see the communication. What is communication? Okay, this communication is the process of communication is the process of sharing information, ideas, opinions, and any thought or view, or any views, right, between two or many people or person. Okay, through a continuous process of people, through a continuous process of speaking, listening, and understanding. Okay, what? Let us see. Communication is the process of sharing information, ideas, opinions, or any views between two or many people. Okay, between two or many people, right? There can be the group of people. Okay, for sharing the informations, or there can be the group of people who will share the information among them, right? So between two or many people, through a continuous process of speaking, listening, and understanding, through a continuous process of speaking, listening, and understanding, right? Remember students, this three part is very important in the communication. Clear na? Speaking, listening, and understanding. Right now, the speaking is done by the sender, listening is done by the receiver, and understanding is done by the receiver, and then the response is given to the sender. Okay, suppose if you will say that this person A is the sender, okay, and there is a person B who will receive the message, receiver, right? So the person will speak. Clear? This person will speak and will be sent to the person B, and person B will listen. Okay, person B will listen what is spoken by person A, right? And this person B will understand, okay, the spoken words. Clear? And the person A will speak. So what they will speak? They'll speak a collection of words. Right now, the words. They'll speak collection of synchronized words. Clear? And will be received by the receiver, and receiver will listen to it, and listening includes understanding and interpretation, and after that the person B will respond to the person A. So this is the continuous process of speaking, listening and understanding. Then person B will speak, the same cycle will be there. The person B will speak, then person A will listen, right? Person B will speak, person A will listen, right? Will understand and then again speak. Then this process will be the continuous process. Okay? So now let us see what are the different methods of communication. Okay, how we can share our information, ideas, opinions and any other views between the people or among the group of people, right? And you have seen that this is the continuous process. Okay, and this includes the speaking, listening and understanding. Clear everyone? So let us see what are the different methods available here in our day-to-day life, and directly or indirectly we are using all these methods, right? And in fact right now this video is also the combination of all these methods, right? So let us see what are the different methods are there. First one is the verbal. Okay, first method is the verbal method. Okay, second one is the non-verbal. Non-verbal, right? And third one is the visual. Clear? Verbal, non-verbal and the visual method. Clear? Now let us see what is there in the verbal communication. Okay? Now what is going on? Whatever I am telling you, or whenever you are talking to your friends, whenever you are talking to your parents, whenever you are in the classroom, whenever you are listening the lectures, what is happening in that? There we are sharing our views. How? So that comes under the verbal communication. Clear now? So this verbal communication includes what? Oral communication. What are the medium through which this verbal communication can be there? Oral communication and the written communication. Okay, oral communication and the written oral communication and the written communication. Okay, what is this oral communication? Oral communication are the spoken words. Spoken words. This oral communication is what? Spoken words. Okay, and this written communication is what? Written words. Clear? Oral communication is the spoken words and written communication is the written words. Right everyone? Now let us see what is having in the non-verbal communication. Okay? This through everything, whether it is verbal communication, whether it is non-verbal communication or whether it is visual communication. Clear? We are sharing our views. So through the non-verbal communication, what we does? We are expressing our sentiments, attitude or informations with the non-verbal also. Okay? We express okay, our sentiments. We express our sentiments, attitude okay, in the form of information, right now. Or information, any kind of information, okay. So what will be the part for the non-verbal communication? Let us see what are the parts for the non-verbal communication. The non-verbal communication can be done through the body movement, body movement, okay, gesture, clear, facial expression, facial expression, okay, symbols, images, signal charts, okay.